Let me introduce myself. I am D. Srinivasa Rao, General Manager Quality and Safety and Factory Manager also, Hindustan Shipyard Ltd. I am very much delighted to interact with IRS on the eve of 50th year of their completion. I would like to highlight a few points on this occasion. With the support of IRS, we have developed or established 53 WPS PQRs in the last 3 years, which includes 13 numbers for submarine, INS Sindhu Kirti, INS Sindhu Vijay and INS Sindhu Veer, and 20 more WPS PQRs which are required to handle FSS project. We got FSS project very recently, which is of 20,000 crores, which is the biggest order being handled by Hindustan Shipyard. And I would like to add here, first time we have introduced Indian Ministry of Shipping in the world, not only in India, for submarine repairs on NR of INS Sindhu Veer. We would like to use the IRS services for betterment of our new projects which are under pipeline, INS Sindhu Vijay and INS Sindhu Veer, which are of MRLC of more than 6 to 7,000 crores. Further, I would like to add, with the help of IRS, we have established or qualified more than 480 welders as on date in the last 3 years. I think no other yard has done this much quantity qualification in the yards, and we are looking for reaching around 1,000 welders by 2026. And to improve the process of the shipbuilding and ship repairs, we have come up with lot of SOPs, and we have also issued handbooks, particularly on hull standards, outfitting, electrical, engineering and piping standards with the help of IRS. And last year on the eve of our foundation day, we have released quality inspection procedures also, which will ease the quality aspects, particularly the trials. In addition to this, we have issued IMS manual, integrated management system manual, IMS formats and IMS procedures. First time in the history of Hindustan Shipyard, we have got OHSMS and EMS certificates with the guidance and help of IRQS Kolkata. So I must thank IRQS team for giving wonderful support in getting first time these kind of certificates. With this, we got now 3 certificates, and we are now having a integrated management system with QMS, OHMS and EMS. These certificates are valid up to 26 October. And most importantly, with the kind of support, we have increased our number of surveys per week. It is 50 in December 2020. Now in March 24, we are doing 250 surveys. That means 5-folds increase, and the success rate has been increased from 50 to 85%. This is also a excellent support we got from IRS. Because of IRS, we could be able to achieve this milestone. It is also in history. I have already highlighted about Sindhu Kirti. Now we are getting very shortly 2 more submarines for MRLC, INS Sindhu Vijay and Sindhu Veer. For those submarines also, we want to take the support of IRS so that the inspection and the trials process can be eased up and we can deliver the vessels in time. To our credit, earlier we have delivered INS Sindhu Veer in a record time, 9 days ahead of schedule. Now the Sindhu Kirti also, with the support of IRS, we will be able to deliver 1 month ahead of schedule. That means end of December. That is the kind of targets we have kept ourselves. Because of these targets and the timelines, we are able to get more and more submarines for repair or MRLC life extension for HSL yard. And we got appreciation letter from IRS in July 2023. No other yard or no other person has got this type of appreciation letter from IRS earlier. In fact, to my credit, I have got two appreciation letters, one in 2013-14, the other in 2023. So this itself says how we are, working with IRS very closely to get these appreciations. And in the last 3 years, we have delivered 8 vessels, 4 tugs, 3 flap gates, and the first of its kind vessel INS Dhruv. This is the first vessel in India and the 5th vessel in the world. I cannot share. IRS has supported in delivering the vessel in a much better quality, and the performance which is giving by INS Dhruv is extraordinary. They are very happy with the performance and they are willing to give 2 more vessels. And one more thing I want to highlight, in all 8 vessels we are not having any kind of liability, nil V448 we have achieved. That is also a wonderful quality aspect with the support of IRS. Because of this kind of support, we have recommended IRS for carrying out the further annual surveys, and IHP has considered IRS for carrying out annual surveys by a classification society like IRS for INS Dhruv. Now they are having coming 5 years lot of business with NTRO and IHP. And one more support we got is the training. We have trained 55 officers in hull, particularly quality standards, and because of this training we are able to achieve good results. Finally, I would like to add one more thing. In the recent past, in the last 3-4 years, we have delivered 50 vessels repaired in our ship repair division. Out of 50 vessels, more than 40 vessels have been done on time, and most of the vessels have been associated by IRS. Because of the kind of support, we could be able to deliver these vessels in time and could get appreciation from all the owners, which includes 2-3 foreign vessels also. Recently we have carried out one dredger also, foreign Belgium dredger. Earlier we have carried out some 2 offshore vessels being deployed in Rava near Godavari basin. In the last 83 years, we have delivered 200 vessels and repaired more than 2018 vessels and retrofitted 5 submarines. And most of the, in the last 50 years, most of the vessels have been associated by IRS. We thank one and all in the IRS for the kind of support provided with them. Thank you once again.
Yes,